So here we have another unboxing. This time it's coming directly from their Power Hungry Performance. Power Hungry Performance is one of our supporters for the channel. So let's take a look and see what they have sent us here. And trust the old kitchen knife. See how it goes. What we got here? Bubble wrap here. I don't know about you guys, but I love this stuff. And yes, you could call me a hoarder, but I save this stuff. I do a lot of shipping and ship stuff out. I have a way to protect it. What have we here? Check this out. Oh, nice. I have a beautiful hoodie right here from Power Hungry Performance. A big thank you to them and a big shout out, obviously. That is so awesome. Let me see if I could lay it down. I'm doing this one-handed with the camera on my other hand. Let's see if I could lay it out here for you guys. Look at that beautiful thing. Power Hungry Performance. Very cool. Big thank you to them for sponsoring and always helping out with the channel. And what is that we see there? Wowzers! We have a Hydra chip directly from Power Hungry Performance. Thank you so much, guys. This is amazing. I really appreciate it. As you guys know, we have quite a few projects coming on to the show, and well, we're definitely going to need this and possibly two more in the future. I did get a second one that I purchased. I'll show you guys that in a couple seconds here. Let's see what else they sent here. Nice. Got some of their decals. Those are always awesome. They sent us quite a few. Goes down there. What do we have here? License plates. Look at these. These are very, very cool. Thank you so much, guys. This is awesome. Totally amazing. And okay, it seems like we have 3 of them. 3 of these. All right. That's a good thing. Check that out. Power Hungry Performance backpack. Is that not awesome or what? I bet you guys will see me around with this backpack. You know, when I go to the events and stuff, I'm always carrying some camera equipment. This will definitely come in handy. And be proud to represent Power Hungry Performance. Absolutely. That is so awesome. So awesome. I'm really, really stoked about that. And like I was telling you guys, I did purchase a second Hydra. That one I won't be doing an unboxing because, yeah, I already opened it up and looked into it. But yeah, we have a second Hydra. This one's going to be for one of the other builds. Bear with me. Got a little bit of a mess going on. But yeah, I just wanted to give a big shout out and a thank you to Power Hungry Performance. Thank you so much. God bless you. Let the ball roll.